here we are in this location where I stayed for a night on the parking lot. And by the way, this is how it looks, my van, after riding on the dirt road. Yeah, I know it's not so pretty. But yesterday I said I will show you the old lumber mill, so let's go, I will show you. Lumber mill, and this is the lumber mill, the building, but the whole mechanism, how it's working, is all the way down the street up here, because this is the main engine, and the engine is the fall. The falling water goes straight to the lumber mill and that makes magic happen. So I will try to show how it's working from start to finish. Actually, I cannot go inside and show everything, but I will try to show as much as possible. Yeah, let's go to the starting point where all the magic begins. It's controlling by several latches, so the river and the fall goes down here in this pool, controlling by this barrier wood and this wood barrier, and water goes through this latch or this path, and this is the door which opens, and when it's open the water goes straight down, but not in the lumber mill. If we close this door, then the water should come in this path, go under the road and goes to the lumber mill wheel. So let's go to see the lumber mill wheel. It comes down by here from another side of the road, and it's going through this to this grill. This grill is like the filter from branches and and it's starting spinning the wheel. This is the first wheel, and when it's spinning, it's something doing with this chain. Water goes down this path, spinning wheel pulling the tree, and saw cutting the tree. Actually, it would be more interesting to see in action, but yeah, I cannot show because door is locked. There's another controlling point. If the water is too much, latch is closed and it goes to the river, but then it's open, it goes down this path. Then this latch is open, it's starting spinning this second wheel, and second wheel is for saw. So I'm under the lumber mill, and this is the wheel, and then it's spinning. It goes down this rod and it's starting spinning, and when it's spinning, this is the saw, and saw starting moving up and down. It's cutting tree to planks. How it looks, the planks that cut it from the tree. That's how it works. That's what I want to show you this morning, and actually right now we are moving forward. Looks like this dirty, and we are on the car wash. Then the car is clean. Actually, this is how much dirt was from the car. getting down to this city. What you're seeing is down. Was a long drive because in the Norway is long ways and the speed is just 70 maybe 80 kilometers per hour. It depends on the location, so it was long ride. We drove about 200 kilometers or so. We actually don't have any plan for today, but for tomorrow we have big ambitions to go more further to very nice location. Stay with me and I will show you what we got for tomorrow. So for now, I'm going for a rest and we see you next day.